create a new file that is 20 inches by 20 inches and 300 dpi. Select the text tool, font, and font size. Type your text onto the canvas. Notice that when the snap tool is enabled, you will be able to center your text easily. You can also line it up with other text or images this way. Merge all the text into one layer, so it can be easily moved together as one piece. Open the file that has the pattern for your text to be filled with. I will be using a plaid pattern. Make sure this image is 300 dpi also. Pull this window down so it's out of the way but still visible. Use the Ctrl and minus buttons to zoom out. Click directly on your pattern and drag it over the screen where your text is. Make sure your pattern is fully covering the text. You will now see two layers. I renamed mine to avoid confusion. Right-click on your pattern layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This should fill your text with the pattern. Use the Layer menu to merge all of this into one piece. Now we will add two outlines to the text. Move your windows so you can see both at the same time. As we make changes in the gray window, you will see the preview on your file. Notice how the adjustments are made. By adding multiple stroke boxes, we can have multiple colors of outlines. Now use the trim feature to crop the image perfectly. Export your file as a PNG type, and you are ready to print it.